Welcome to Sync Crosshair, the smart solution for synchronizing your cursor across multiple charts in MetaTrader 5. You can fully customize the appearance of the crosshair lines. Choose any color, line style, or thickness directly from the input settings. And here's the powerful part. If each chart uses different styles, whenever you call the crosshair from one chart, its style is applied instantly across all charts. This means you can use color coding for different timeframes or symbols and instantly recognize where the signal is coming from without any confusion. Sync Crosshair is lightweight, stable, and completely free, perfect for multi-timeframe analysis, cross-symbol comparison, teaching, or live streaming. To get started, install the indicator on each chart you want to use or simply save it into a template. If you save your setup as Default.tpl, every new chart will automatically load Sync Crosshair with your preferred settings. Controls are very simple. Hold Ctrl plus Shift and click to start, left-click to switch the leader chart, and press Escape to stop and clear everything. Whether you are analyzing multiple pairs, comparing gold and indices, or recording a professional tutorial, Sync Crosshair keeps every chart in perfect alignment. No more guesswork, no more jumping eyes across screens, just clean, synchronized precision every time. Sync Crosshair, when everything must be seen in perfect sync.